Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen string methods. So in today's video we are going to start with operators in Python. Okay, so first I will create file. I'll say 16 dot operators. So first let me clarify you what is operators. So operators are basically plus, minus, etc. Okay. So there are many types of operators in Python. First is arithmetic operators, second is assignment operators, third is comparison operator, fourth is logical operator, fifth is identify operators, sixth is membership operator, and seventh is bitwise operators. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see arithmetic operators. So here I will create file for arithmetic operator. So operators.py. Okay, now here what are arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, okay, exponent and floor division. Okay, let us see one by one. So first we are going to see addition. Okay, so let's take variable a equals to 10 and b equals to 5. Okay, now if I want to do addition, then I need to do something like this: print and a plus b. Okay, so here I will write addition. Okay, and if I run this, then you will see 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, then we have subtraction. Okay, so subtraction. Okay, print a minus b. If I run this script, then you can see 5. I'll just comment this print statement and I'll also comment this subtraction. And another we have multiplication. So multiplication, and I'll write print a into b. Okay, so this star sign is known as multiplication. You can see 50. Okay, so this is multiplication, and another we have division. So let me write division, print, oops, a divided by b. If I run this, then you can see 2 is our answer, 2.0. Okay, now what is exponentiation? Okay, so let me write that. Okay, now exponentiation means double star. By the way, we you know, if you want to do exponentiation, then we should write double star. Now let's say I have this a and b. Okay, so if I write print and if I say 10 double star 5, okay, that means I need to write a and b over here. So 10 will be multiplied 5 times, which means it will say 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 and into 10, something like this. Okay, so if I run this script, then you can see we got 1 lakh. Okay, let me take smaller number. I'll just make this 2 and I will just do this 2. Okay, you can see 4. Okay, so this works something like this. Now we have floor division. So I'll just make this 10 and 5 again. And floor division means, let's say let's uncomment this division first and run this script. You can see we are getting result 2.0. So what this floor division does is, floor division will simply remove any number after point. Okay, it will just give us round figure, or if we have single digit, then it will just you know um, remove that number after point. So let me just comment this. Now I will say floor division, and I will say print a double slash b. So floor division is basically denoted by double slash. Okay, so if I run this script, then you can see 2. Okay, and if I write 15, and here if I write 2, okay, then see the result 7. Okay, I will just uncomment this division also, and here I will write division, and here I will write floor division. Okay, and I will just run this script. You can see actual division is 7.5, but after floor division we get only 7. So this basically removed any number after this point. Okay, so this is arithmetic operators. Okay, so in next video we are going to see assignment operator. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.